Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Put your lines here. There you go. I got one. Yeah, you got one. Oh, that looks like a decent one. Yeah, no. Oh man. Can't catch them all, huh, Fred? Guess not. Well, we could try to get one. Get down now. Got one, Fred. It broke it off. Right. There? Nope. Nope. We didn't want that fish. It wasn't big enough, Fred. Would have nice to have just had one in the box, right, Fred? That's all I need is one in the box. Take the edge off, you know? Yeah. What do you got, Ed? I don't know if it's Ed, but it's King. He's running now. Oh, dude, he's a slob. Oh, fuck! He's gonna be one of those. Yeah. With the freaking boat. That's a nice fish. He jumped beautiful. I think he's got a little bit left in him. So. Oh, another big jump. Want a little more throttle? No. Got him. Nice job. Yeah. Nice. It's gone! There you go. Fuck yeah! That's him, man. Oh shit! Shit! He just came off. It's okay. Oh! Catch him again. Oh, fuck. Told ya. I don't think it's there, dude. Nothing. Crazy stuff. Oh yeah! That's perfect. Dude's fucking doing it. Not surprised. Not what the fucking cool is. Not missing anything. You've never been the coolest. Big time. Oh! Dude, fucking tail is huge, dude. Maybe got back. Oh yeah. Turn us a little left. Oh! No, really? It's okay. Well, I tell you one thing, he wasn't a chromer. It was dark, but it was a 20 pounder. We'll get the next one. Oh. There it is. Broke it out. Oh, fuck. One hit right on the fucking... I love it. That's awesome. Right on the surface. That'd be a cove. Yeah. Looks nice, dude. Right on top. What, girl? Got one? I saw it. There it is. Tell you what, if he's not one of them kind, then he's a big cove. Yeah. That's a bright fucker. That's a freaking big one. There it is. Nice brighty, man. That's a bright fist in there, barely. Yeah. Hey, they're out deep. You know that? Okay, let's go. Nothing? You hit? If he's on there, he's smaller. Oh, yeah. Maybe not. That's the fish. Is this the fish? Come on. Keep tension on him and you'll be good. Yeah, that's the fish. You were talking about that's the fish. That's just pulling hard. He keeps on pulling. Yeah. Okay. This is the one. I know. I think he got the drag just right. Yeah, he's just down there. Hanging out. Yep. Oh, did you feel him come off? Yeah. It happens. Yeah, the track record's not very good today. You're reeling with a right-handed reel. Maybe that. There we go. Oh, hit it. Drive-by. Your bait's fucking kicking ass. Fish jumped right in front of it.
That's what we want to see. This fucking rip.
There it is. There it is. Fucking got him. Get him, Fred. It's on.
What were you saying?
Yeah, that's him.
What were you saying? Want to be on that line?
I was telling you, I want to be on that freaking rip. That's our guy right there. Yeah. Oh boy. I think we should pull that side.
Yeah, I got you. We're just nobody out here.
We're gonna go this way and I'll pull this side. Get Big Ed in here and everything's gonna be fine. That flasher comes above the water and you feel that like release is just heartbreaking for a second. Oh my God, he made a freaking just a big ass run at the boat. Oh, it's a nice king. We're talking 20. Oh fuck. It's okay. Good. So I hit the. I haven't lost him yet. He's got to be hooked pretty good. There it is. Got him? Yep. Shoot, it's 20 pounds. That's what we're after today.
Yeah, that's the one.
Sorry, we lost you guys. Here you go. Look at this thing. Right in the net. Beautiful, nice chromer. Again, freaking full week later. What do you think, Matt?
That'll work. It's okay.
That'll fucking, that'll eat.